Creating an emergency fund is an important financial step to help you prepare for unexpected expenses or emergencies. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating an emergency fund. Set a goal. Determine how much money you want to save in your emergency fund. Create a budget. Review your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back or reduce unnecessary spending. Assess your income. Evaluate your monthly income after deducting taxes and other fixed expenses. Determine how much you can realistically save each month for your emergency fund. Open a separate savings account. Set up a separate savings account dedicated solely to your emergency fund. This will help you track your progress and prevent you from dipping into the funds for non-emergency purposes. Calculate your expenses. Make a list of your essential monthly expenses, such as rent/mortgage, utilities, food, transportation, insurance, and debt payments. Add them up to determine your monthly expenses. Remember, building an emergency fund is a gradual process. It may take time to reach your desired goal, but every small step counts. By staying consistent and committed, you'll gain peace of mind knowing that you have a financial safety net to rely on during emergencies.